Buy Dr. Barbara SturmGlow drops at cheap and discounted price from link in the description. Glow drops revitalize tired, dull skin and restore radiance, leaving you with a natural, healthy SturmGlow whenever you need it. The active ingredient Polygonum bistorta root is a potent anti-aging ingredient, optimizing skin tone, while wild rose extract refines pores, giving the complexion a more even appearance. Purslane, whose chemistry boasts high vitamin levels and omega-3 fatty acids, reduces the visible signs of irritation. Low and high-weighted hyaluronic acid molecules bind moisture and replenishes internal molecular levels, providing a hydrating and plumping effect while supporting the skin's natural barrier function. How to use: place a pipette's length in the palm of your hand and spread over the face, eye area, and neck, gently patting it in. Apply after moisturizer for a lit from within glow, over makeup, or combine with your preferred skincare product.